Today we class the subtraction classes. Yesterday class I have taught you how to make the addition. Simple. This class is only for the kids, okay? Subtraction means we have to make minus, subtraction. This is a very important. Addition we can do it easy, but subtraction little bit it's a tricky subject, you know. Let's we make it a simple. Okay, kids, let's we start the class. Start with the example. Subtraction. I don't waste your any time. Example 1. 9 minus 3 equal to how much? 9 minus 3 equal to how much? 6. If you subtract 3 from 9, you will get 6. Second example. It's only one digit, unit, okay? Only one digit number. Takes another example. 8, 3, okay? 8 minus 3, how much? 8 minus 3, 5. If you subtract 3 from 8, you will get the 5. Subtract 3, 8, 8, 7, 6, okay? 3 subtracted and you will get the answer 5. Take one more example, no problem. Single example, okay? 7 minus 6. If you subtract 6 from 7, how much you will get? 6. Another 7, okay? Here 1. These are simple examples, one number examples. Fourth one. Take any number. 9 minus 6. If you subtract 6 from 9, how much you get? 6, 7, 8, 9. 3. 3 is the remainder, okay? I will tell you another class. I will tell you what is remainder, what is quotient. In coming classes, you will see it. So these are simple examples. Let's go to double digit for subtraction. Let's we go to double digit for subtraction, okay? Double digit, okay. It's a double digit, two digit, two digit examples. First example, 77, 7 minus 3, 3. How much you get? 7 minus 3, how much? 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 4. Okay. 7 minus 3, 4. The answer is 44. Come to second example. Second example, 8, 9 minus 2, 3. Subtract 3 from 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here it comes 6. 8 minus 2, how much? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 6. The answer is 66. If you subtract 89 from 23, how much you will get? 66. Okay. Let's go to third example. 63. 63 minus 52. 63 minus 52. Subtract these two numbers. 3 minus 2, how much? 1. 6 minus 5 equal to 1. The answer is 11. Okay. These are simple examples in subtraction. Let's take fourth example. 77 minus 16. How much you get? 7 minus 6, how much? 1. 6 and 7. 7 minus 1 equal to how much? Yes, very good. 6. The answer is 61. This is two digit number. This is simple examples. Let's we go new example, tougher we'll make it tougher. Okay. For example, this is a type 2 type you keep in remember. It's okay. Type 2 type 2 in subtraction. Okay. First example, 73 minus 64. 73 minus 64. From 3 you can't minus 4 here. Okay. 3 is a small number, 4 is a big number. How you will subtract it? It's so simple. Okay, see here on the video. Concentrate here. Borrow 7 from 1. If you borrow from 7 1, it will be a 13. Okay, 13. Here if you borrow here 7, it will be a 6. Okay, why means you have borrow 7, it is 7, you have borrow here 1 for 3, it will be 13, 1 3, it's not 4. Okay kids, not 4, it's a 13. Automatically 7 comes 6 because we have borrowed here. Because why we borrowed? Because 3 is a smaller than 4, we can't subtract it. I hope you understand this one. Okay, then subtract 13 minus 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 9. Okay, 9. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. The answer is 9. If you subtract 73 from 64, how much you will get? 9. Many of the students confuse here. Please be serious and see the classes. Okay, the second example, 88 minus 19. Okay, here also same problem. Here 8 is small, 9 is big, we can't subtract here, so we have to borrow 1 from 8, so it will become 18 and it will become 7. Why? We borrowed here 9. Now we can subtract 8 minus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Count your fingers. 18. How much? 9. Okay. Then 7 minus 1, how much? Easy. You will know. 6. 69. Simple. Concentrate here. That much enough. Okay. Let's, I think your 2-digit number you have. Let's go to 3-digit. 3-digit number. Take any number. Okay, let's take 8, 8, 2 minus 7, 7, 6. Okay. Here also same. Here 2, here 6. It's a 2 is a small number, 6 is a big number. So don't worry. I'll teach you. You have to borrow 8 from 1. It will be 12. And here it will be 7. Why? We have borrowed here 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 6. If you minus 12 from 6, you will get the 6. And here 7 minus 7. Why? No 8. Why? We have borrowed here. So 7 minus 7 equal to 0. 8 minus 7, how much you will get? 7, 8, 1. 1. The answer is 1 not 6. Okay, it's so simple. Next, we'll go to next example. We go to next example here. Fourth example. Easy. Subtraction is so easy. Don't worry. If you're getting confusion, pause the video and see it back. You will get the video will be clear. 352 minus 213. Here also same. Here what? 2. 2 is a small number, 3 is a big number. So you have to borrow here 1. If you borrow here 1, it will become 12, it will become 4. In 12 minus 3, how much? 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much? 9. Okay. 4 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 139 is the answer. Okay. Let's go to another example. Simple. Fifth example. Take any number. 3-digit number. 26, 9. 1, 3, 6 minus this. This is easy I have taken for you to practice. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. 6 minus 3 equal to 3. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. The answer is 133. You have to minus here. Like this, you have to make the subtraction. Okay. If you want the next part 2 class in this subtraction, the most toughest example, please comment in the section, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, friends and kids. Okay, thank you so much.